This is Opie. Hope everybody out in Facebooky land is having a good Tuesday. We have a special request from Miss Linda. She said on our Facebooky page that this is National Cat Day. That's right, National Cat Day. Woof, woof. We want to give a shout out to all of our cat friends out in Facebooky land in Springfield, Missouri, and all over the world. Meow, meow, meow. Me a boy dog. Me can't make no right meow sound. It's me a boy dog. Woof, woof. This is Henry Minry. Hope everybody out in Facebooky land's having a good day. We're celebrating National Cat Day. That's right, National Cat Day, and we're boy dogs. That's right, because we're a couple boy dogs. But to all of our cat and our little kitty cat friends, we say meow, meow, meow. But we're boy dogs. Woof.